the first shuttle run today. We had a flat yesterday, so I'm fixing the tire. And we got about 6 more shuttle runs, I think, later today, so we'll have plenty of time to get some runs in. But yeah, we got a huge turnout here with everybody.
This is one of the.
So you running your trailer with zip ties tomorrow, or?
This is the Cronkles, dude. There's a.
Wait, brother. If I have to, I'll just tear off the trailer.
Yeah, loads of beer.
Run chainless.
I would be very. She's actually like Miss Terrapin, essentially.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, I'm there.
Is this your camper?
Yes, sir.
Do you like it?
I love it.
Yeah?
It's brand new, so it's hard not
Oh,
to.
okay.
The average guy uses their camper 6 days a year, I'm told.
Mistaken for you down there, so. I got mistaken for you. Alright, welcome to the graveyard of bikes for cracked my IMBA right there. Brennan has built a full bike to race on, borrowed parts. At least I only had to change a pedal. So
Oh. Anyways, we're getting ready to do day 2. Not so hot yesterday. Well, it was for the first stage or 2, and I lost my chip, and so no time for yesterday. But I did all the stages. I only had 1 flat, but I'll try to get another chip today so we can get some times, and hopefully everybody makes it unscathed and bike stay intact. Finished the enduro. We're gonna go through Brent's bike and what he did to get my bike running. Right. It was a good time today, though. Like made it all unscathed and felt like he actually had been able to ride once, since yesterday was crazy. I've had more mechanicals and stuff, bent rotors, broken rims, 2 flat tires, lost my timing chip yesterday, so I didn't get timed. But I mean, it was one heck of an experience. I mean, with all the ridership from all over the country, and Kodiak Tough putting a great event on. We met so many people and stuff here, and got to ride out here with everybody and everything. So it was yeah, I got times today, so I'll be able to see how my stage times and stuff were today. I just didn't get an overall deal just because I didn't have a chip. I ran all the stages yesterday even without a chip, just because for experience and being here and everything. But I tell you what, just building the relationships with different people and stuff out here, especially the guys who Ben Hobbs and Emily and Leith and Andrew and everybody that and Terry that came out, from the southeast and stuff. It was cool. I wish those guys, Terry and Ben and Terry and those guys, really good luck here. They're getting ready to leave to go to Santa Fe for the next series. So yeah, I mean, I don't know if you say you wouldn't gotten any podiums or anything like that because you didn't have times, but I mean, you can replace the experience that you did here. It was really remote, chunky stuff. I mean, just crazy trails. I mean, so it was, yeah, I mean, just wouldn't trade it for anything. So it was a good time. But now we're gonna get something to eat. Get Brent's bikes back together. We got to go ahead and get the trailer and stuff mounted up, and then we're gonna head out of here probably in a few hours and get home, take a weekend break, and then we're off to the Pisca Enduro. So yeah, can't complain really at all. Just got super nice weather and views today.